Okay guys, so we're just gonna work a guard pass, a quick guard pass, like a Lucas Leite style, and then we're gonna take the back. And we can work some of those techniques if we want. So we're gonna have him back and the feet are up. These are the 2 points of control. Right hand on the hip, left hand on the inner part of his knee. And I'm gonna walk that knee to the ground. I'm in like a sprawl, I walk. When this knee drops down right here, I hook the arm, I slide the foot like that. This hand's gonna go across the neck now. I'm gonna put my hands together as I switch. And then we're gonna pull him over. I'm gonna put 1 hook in, 2 hooks in. And now look, we're ready to start doing the stuff from the other videos. So, one more time really quick here. His feet are up, I'm passing an open guard. Boom, I want these 2 spots of control, and I sprawl walk around and I drop my knee, hook the arm, slide this foot, reconnect the grip, and I start to pull him over, take the back. So, last time here. This is a big part of it. The walk is a big part. Dropping my knee right here as I hook and sliding. Now watch this leg. Hook 1, hook 2. One last time fast.